Good morning, it's David Earl from Laser Lines. I'm here at the MACH exhibition at the NEC in Birmingham. Today, one of the equipment we are showing is the LMB laser welding system from Sisma in Italy. This is an entry-level welding system starting at 60 watts to 85 watts with a maximum peak energy of 9.5 kilowatts. Has variable beam diameters from 0.1 millimeters to 2 millimeters and can be purchased with an external or internal vision system. Today we're showing an external vision system. This is to attract people's attention at the exhibition. If this is something that you are interested in, please visit us at our website, which is www.laserlines.co.uk. Thank you.